Let's do a short video of hyperparameter tuning. Let's start with the goal, which is to address the bias variance trade-off. We have a separate video on bias variance trade-off, but very quickly, bias means doesn't fit current data well, whereas variance, it doesn't fit new data well. So what are some evaluation metrics? Let's say, example, evaluation metrics. You can think of it as precision, recall, AUC, ROC, what else? R squared, mean squared error. Just some examples. So not necessarily a single one. You can use this in multiple settings. So let's now move on to tuning methods for your different hyperparameters. I should probably hashtag advanced topic this. This is definitely a very brief intro, very TikTok version of this, so follow-up is definitely needed if you're going to dive deeper into this topic. But yeah, let's describe some tuning methods. One is grid search. Grid search is you search through a predetermined list of parameters, so list of values. Another method is random search, which, as the name suggests, is you try random values for your hyperparameters. Another example is, let's say, Bayesian, I think the word is optimization, where based on previous value, let's see, say value performance, based on your performance or evaluation measures, you gain some information of which values to try next. Whether you want bigger values or smaller values, for example. Try next. Then last one is, say, a genetic algorithm, where you actually go through several I guess generations or waves, or basically series trials of value search. And then from there, you take the best performing value from each of these generation. You actually add some noise to inform the next generation of value search. So yeah, those are some examples for tuning methods for hyperparameter. And then honestly, when I do hyperparameter search, it's trial and error. So I don't know, maybe closer to random search or grid search, but very much trial and error is something I use as a product data scientist, which is probably a lower bar compared to, say, a machine learning engineer. Perhaps you want to use method 3 or 4 to really fine tune your hyperparameters.